Hi, today we discuss about Schumacher SC1360 automatic battery charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight, 2.77 pounds. Engine start, 200 amp start, stop button. Yes. Boost, 15 amp. Key features. Schumacher SC1360 battery charger has automatic voltage detection, and provides a great power supply to jump-start 6-volt 12-volt SUV and truck batteries. The Schumacher SC1360 has a multi-stage charging system that elongates the battery life. It has a hardcore metal case that protects the charger against potential damages and wheels for maneuverability. It has convenient cord storage, which makes using it mess-free. The microprocessor-controlled battery charger is perfect for adjusting the amperage rate effortlessly. The Schumacher SC1360 battery charger is better than the SL1500 due to its automatic voltage detection. More features like a float mode and multi-stage precise charging also made an impactful difference. When it comes to get the reliable power, and an extended battery life at the same time, the SC1360 battery charger comes into mind. This fully automatic battery charger delivers the 15 ampere rapid charge to the diesel engine batteries. On the other hand, if used for the standard charging purpose, the charger can deliver the 8 ampere charge. The Schumacher integrated battery charger also has vehicle detection features, to help figure out the battery's charge level. Pros: float mode, reverse hookup protection, 15 amp boost mode, LED display. Cons: base feet get dirty. Our recommendation: the Schumacher SC1360 battery charger has some notable features that made it to the list of best battery chargers for diesel truck engines. Some of the features include float mode monitoring, multi-stage charging, microprocessor-controlled technology, and battery protection. The product buy link is in the description below.